O'Sullivan centre stage in front of a big crowd. He won the last of his 7 world titles, for now anyway, in 2020. She was saying last week, really looking forward to this, as you can understand. She's not favoured to win, but let's hope she...
Modest start to the season, you'd have to say, for him, but this is one of the big tournaments, followed by the Champion Champions and also the UK Championship.
Yeah, of course, at the English Open, he was playing predominantly left-handed and didn't get the results he wanted. We didn't see that pot go in, unfortunately, but Mink did pot it. You know, let's be honest, in qualifiers where there's not a lot of people watching, what a great pot that is on the brown. So she set her stall out already. She's involved here in a big occasion.
Ming Nutcharut 5.
Hence he said he switched to his left hand to give himself something new to sort of think about. He's fluked that one.
Yeah, no apology there from Ronnie for that fluke.
It was sort of just half, but I think it was a slight acknowledgement.
He's not that good at these blind those. Not the start. Mink would have wanted to give him an early opportunity.
13.
Prior to that, quarter-finalist in 2014, but this is only... Beat Logonyi, didn't he, in the 93 in the Matchroom League. Obviously, that was a bit of a lifetime ago, really.
Try and make a plan. Missed there, not only.
You know, sort of out of range, if you like, in terms of difficulty, maybe a challenge. We'll see, but.
$14. $21.
Well, not clean. Terrific recovery.
$36. $44. Ming Nutcharut 44.
Well, I guess at least she didn't bring the red out. Sullivan taking the double, though.
It's gone along so nicely.
Oh, thought that was wide at first, but no. So yellow.
Ming Nutcharut 8.
I've seen top class snooker. Just giving a sense of occasion.
Live snooker for the first time. Ronnie O'Sullivan for the first time.
Struck it well. Of course, just needing the yellow.
So very interesting. Obviously, O'Sullivan.
She can just settle down into the match.
So in this battle of the world champions.